Welcome. Today's topic, a flat earther who is afraid of hackers. Or is he really? It have been a long time since I visited Daniel Pratt's. It's a long time since I visited Daniel Pratt's channel, and it's not easy to follow him because he gets his channel shut down by YouTube all the time. But this video is about that the air traffic control system in US was shut down. Let's watch this video.
Wait, what? The air traffic control system was brought to its knees this morning? You don't say. This is my shocked face. Because you can't impose your predetermined solution without first imposing the problem to elicit said reaction to impose said solution.
Daniel, what are you talking about?
So yesterday, I go to Kroger. It appears their entire reward system wherein you get your discount prices was down company-wide.
That type of systems are centralized on big chains. So all stores use the same server to get information. So if it's hacked or it is a problem with it, you can't use your memberships in any shop.
I found this out right after the reason I went to the store at that point, because our modem was flipping out and I kept getting these warnings about how it was unsecure and susceptible to being hacked and messed with to get my credit card information, blah, 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 blah. Never got that warning before, but our modem kept tripping, or either our modem or our router or both or whatever was acting rather odd yesterday. So I took the time to go to the store to find out their entire reward system company-wide was having issues.
Daniel, maybe you would invest some money in a system instead. Antivirus, a protection system. I don't believe you will solve that with changing your hardware.
Then wake up this morning to find out the air traffic control system was having issues nationwide. Get ready to hear about Russian hackers taking out your flight system. Before it was COVID, back in 2021, right after the whole pandemic situation, is when this rash of ransomware attacks on US flight systems started being a major concern for the powers that be, which coincidentally just happened to coincide with people like NASA and Walmart patenting and introducing blockchain systems.
Oh dear, I think I know where this is going.
For air traffic control regarding Walmart's drone delivery systems so that you can stay at home and they can deliver your Walmart goods with drones. And conveniently, like everything else, start introducing blockchain, the unhackable blockchain, if if you believe that, I got some oceanfront property in Arizona for you, that it's unhackable. But that's the pre-planned solution, and that's why your air traffic control system was shut down this morning.
Okay, NASA and Walmart have placed the patented... Ta en gång till. So NASA and Walmart have patented blockchain solutions, and that's the reason to why the air traffic control system was down. Okay.
Surely to be blamed on Russian hackers. Why? Well, because Russia's already been blaming the United States for hacking into its air traffic systems for the last 2 years, ever since the Ukraine debacle and the sanctions started.
Ukraine, a debacle. It's a war. Russia invaded a peaceful country and are killing both military personnel, civilians, and their own soldiers is dying too. It's no debacle.
So, this is surely the payback, right? And surely why we have to introduce blockchain. I was watching Monograph stream from last night, and he made a good point. This talk about banning the IRS, the only reason or way that could happen is if blockchain's introduced. There's no more need for the IRS, except maybe a few people sitting at computer terminals to pull up every transaction you make, because there'll be no more cash, no more hidden money from the IRS. How convenient for them. So, them selling you we're going to abolish the IRS, getting the reaction they desperately need. Yeah, let's do that. How do you think they're going to do it? If they abolished the IRS, do you know how many people, and kept cash around, do you know how many people would stop paying their taxes? And all the record, we're going broke as a nation. Just look all around you. The inflation, the economy is collapsing. In other words, this is all part of the Great Reset to introduce blockchain to everything. And it surely is a chain to make you a slave. But don't worry, Sam Bankman-Fried, like all the bankmen, just got freed to fucking enslave you with the blockchain under the electronic panopticon, and where they will have 24-hour surveillance on you through audio, video, and financial records. And everyone will be slaves, but the bankmen will be freed.
So the IRS is behind it all. I knew it, that this was a conspiracy theory. If we begin with the obvious, yes, hackers are working for states. It's a kind of warfare. Today you have warfare that is not involving weapons. And one of those things is to make people don't trust systems, like attacking your abilities to take out money using your credit card, blocking banks so you can't get hold of your money. I can make a very long list. So, and if you look at the war in Ukraine, before or the same night as the war started, it was big hacker attacks from Russia to Ukraine to block communication and so on. So it's not conspiracies, and there are hackers out there trying to fool you of your money. This with ransomware, yes, it's a real thing. People will pay sometimes when they got their computers hacked, and then they get a message, send number of bitcoins to this Bitcoin wallet and so on. That's a real thing. Have nothing to do with IRS. Oh dear, these damn stupidity and conspiracies. And Daniel Pratt is in the middle of it. He loves conspiracies. But one thing I miss, where is the water heater, Daniel? Okay, thank you for watching this rubbish. Today I ordered drone number 23. Thank you all helping me, helping Ukraine. If you want to help, please use PayPal. You will find the link in the description. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. Have a nice day. Bye.